Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called consular strategic conferences. What is that? Well, I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "South Korea Says It Regrets Spurning Thai Visitors." A lot of information in that article. If you're into immigration law and policy, which I gotta admit, if you are, I feel bad for you because it's not the most fun topic, but it's something I've been watching for years. It's part of what we do here at the firm. I must admit it's become something of a begrudging hobby, but I do find it interesting on certain levels, and especially when things happen that are noteworthy. And I thought it was noteworthy, this article, because it's basically about the governments of Thailand and South Korea essentially sort of having a sit down and discussing really serious immigration stuff. For example, you know, Thais going to Korea and then working illegally. And it's mentioned in that article, the new labor minister, Pipat Ratchakitprakarn, the former tourism and sports minister, incidentally, he, has issued some communications to here locally in Thailand to Thais to try to dissuade them from going to South Korea to work illegally. At the same time, South Korea has been, as noted again in that article, South Korea has been noted in Thai press, Thai publications, for being a little bit too quick to disallow entrance for Thais going into South Korea, notwithstanding the good relations between the two countries. And this has caused a little bit of tension, maybe a kerfuffle is the right word, but I thought it was a really interesting article because relevant leaders from both countries have had a sit down, if you will, a meeting to discuss these issues and to try and hammer out something bilaterally that will work for both countries. I'm going to quote a small excerpt. Again, I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail. But quoting directly, both countries agreed to hold a consular strategic conference to work on the problem further. Now, I don't know, I'm not claiming I have any knowledge of how American policymakers discuss things with Thailand, but there are a fair few disconnects, especially in terms of immigration, where I think maybe something akin to one of these consular strategic conferences might be in the interests of both Thais as well as Americans in terms of coming up with a framework, for example, on U.S. tourist visas. I did another video on this channel discussing should Thailand be part of the visa waiver program. And as I discussed in that video, and I've discussed in prior video, the present government that recently was formed in the present coalition, one of their platforms when they came into office was to try to quote unquote strengthen the Thai passport, make the Thai passport a key to more accessibility in more countries. Joining the visa waiver program in the United States would do that, or perhaps sort of another look at the policies regarding tourist visa issuance to Thai nationals might also be useful, and that could possibly occur in the context of one of these strategic consular conferences. I don't know. But I thought it was really interesting that apparently Thailand has already undertaken one of these with South Korea, and it looks like it's had pretty positive results. So will that happen with the United States and Thailand? Remains to be seen, but we'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.